Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to hide data in Excel. Whether you're working on a confidential project or you just want to keep certain parts of your sheet clean and organized, this is for you. So let's dive in. The first and simplest method to hide data in Excel is by hiding entire rows or columns. So let's pretend like we want to hide optimistic lines data for some reason. So we'll simply click and drag to highlight the rows and right-click and choose Hide. Now those rows are hidden. To unhide, you're going to simply highlight the rows around the hidden data, right-click, and choose Unhide. So now you have the control whether or not this data is shown or hidden. The next method is a little more subtle, hiding data in cells using custom formatting. This is useful when you want data to be hidden but still exist in the cells, which can be important for formulas and calculations. So first, we're going to select the cells containing the data we'd like to hide. Let's pretend it's this optimistic lines again. Highlight the data, right-click, and choose Format Cells. We'll move down to Custom, and in the Type field, we're going to delete General and type 3 semicolons, and click OK. Now the data is hidden. To test this, I'm going to go to an area outside of that data, so I'm not deleting the data, and type something in these fields. So the whole row that we applied this formatting to is now hidden. For this data to come back, you simply highlight those rows again, right-click, Format Cells. In the category field, you can just click General and hit OK. Now those rows are back. Another option is using the grouping feature, which allows you to collapse and expand specific sections of your worksheet. This is handy when you want to hide large sections of data but also want the flexibility to bring them back quickly. So once again, let's highlight optimistic lines and say we want to hide it. We're going to click on the Data tab and choose Group. In the left-hand column, you'll see a minus sign and all the rows selected with a bar. Click on the minus sign to collapse the data, and now that minus sign turns into a plus sign. To see that data again, just click on the plus sign to expand that data. And that's it, folks. You now know 3 different ways to hide data in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified when I post new content. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Excel trick you want to learn. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.